for Diamond Vision FX Web Design Virginia Beach. We're going to talk a little bit about the marketing kit that Google offers. We're going to have posters, social media posts, and all sorts of nifty things for your Google My Business profile. Make sure you're signed into Google and or signed into your Google account. And go to marketingkit.withgoogle.com right up here. Enter your business name. See what pops up here. Virginia FX. And let that page load. And right here, we can create, if you move through these, but actually graphics. Book us on Google, say if you're a hotel or a fancy restaurant. Follow us on Google, like follow Facebook, review us on Google. You can download, say I want to use download, so boom. It's going to put a zip file. We'll take a look at that in just a minute. And so we're going to close that. So let's scroll down. You got a personalized marketing kit. You can share these uh, over your social posting in Facebook or Twitter or Instagram or anywhere else. It's going to create graphics that you can share. And what it does, it pulls from your existing Google reviews. So if you don't have any Google reviews, it'll pull other stuff like your hours or some other information from your website listing. So let's take a look at this. So click choose other styles and reviews. So it's pulling up some of my reviews. So okay, great. I'm going to take I highly recommend. Or he did a wonderful job on their website. Let's use that one. And then you click more reviews, so you can just decide what you want here. I'm going to click next. And I can choose the style and the colors. So let that load. Red, that's kind of cool. I can choose art, so that's kind of groovy. I did a wonderful job of our site. That's how that looks. It's from Brandon Miner. I know that guy. And did a wonderful e-commerce t-shirt website. You need to visit that someday. It's redtrailobsession.net. So I can click finish. It's customizing my materials, and vada boom, I'm going to download the kit. So I'm going to download that and click here to download now. Your marketing ticket has been updated. Oh, I'm sorry. See right there's a little progress bar. Come on, come on, come on. Creating posters. Download it now. Bam. Okay, so that's done. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit more. Ready to share social posts. Oh, cool. I'm just seeing this now. So I can share this on my social media. So, great communication. Let me see if it lets me share with Twitter. Yep, see right there, tweet. Bam, it's done. Um, Post directly to my Google search map. So I don't want to clutter up my Google My Business listing right now, but we'll do that later. I can share to Facebook, so that is really cool. So it allows you to do that in real time. Let me see what business info. Let's take a look at that together. Okay, cool. So that's something I may want to post on social media. And so let's scroll down a little bit more. See my business highlights. So they generate a little video for you. Oh, well, that's kind of cool. All right, all right. Boy, that's loud. Okay, and you can share that over Twitter. You can get the link and then embed the video. I do all sorts of groovy things with this. So let me scroll down here. Uh, well, I can review my profile. I've already done that. And so that's it. So let's take a look at the zips real quick. So let me take a peek. We'll go up here. Need to open up the browser. Like so. And we'll take the downloads. And there's all your zip files. So marketing zip 1, showing folder. Let me drag the folder over. Let's just go ahead and unzip it right here. open with, we'll do right here, unzip to here, bam. Come on, come on, come on, come on. All right. There's my marketing kit right here. Oh, cool. Look here. They put the ready print posters. So, and they got some social post graphics. Let's take a look at these suckers. Oh, that's kind of cool. And let's see what they look like large. So let's move through those. Interesting, 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 interesting. These are really nice graphic tools. So there you have it. Not going to bore you anymore with this video. You guys, any questions, just go to my website, visionefx.net. Drop me a line on my contact page or email me directly, rick@visionefx.net, or call me at 757-619-6456. Have a wonderful day. Thanks.